Welcome back to the channel. Today we're talking about a very small but extremely important mechanical component, the dowel pin. If you work with machines, engines, jigs, or fixtures, you've definitely seen this little guy. But what exactly does it do? Let's find out. What is a dowel pin? A dowel pin is a solid cylindrical rod used to align, position, or hold machine parts together. Even though it looks simple, the precision of a dowel pin is what makes it so important in engineering. Why are dowel pins used? Dowel pins maintain accurate alignment between two components. Whenever you need exact positioning, repeatable assembly, vibration-free stability, a dowel pin is the perfect solution. Types of dowel pins. There are several types of dowel pins. Solid dowel pins, the most common, high precision. Spring dowel or roll pins have a slit, used where slight flexibility is needed. Tapered dowel pins used for self-centering applications. Groove dowel pins to provide extra grip in soft materials. Dowel pins are usually made from stainless steel, mild steel, alloy steel, hardened steel. The material depends on where the pin is used, high stress, corrosion-prone, or precision environments. Where are dowel pins used? You'll find dowel pins in automotive engines, gearboxes, machine fixtures, robotic assemblies, molds and dies, woodworking joints. Anywhere alignment matters, dowel pins are there. How dowel pins work? A hole is drilled and reamed precisely in the parts to be aligned. The dowel pin is then inserted into one part and fits tightly into the matching hole of the second part. This ensures perfect alignment every time the parts are assembled. Conclusion. So that's everything about dowel pins, small components with a big role in precision engineering. If you found this helpful, hit like, subscribe, and share it with your engineering friends. Thank you.